Good morning students, welcome back. So today we are doing in EVS chapter 5. See how soon we have come to chapter 5. Don't worry, I am going to do all the question answers with you when you come to me, and also I will try to revise all of this again, because we have come to the 5th chapter. We can go slow, okay, and we can do a revision as well. Now I'm going to read the 5th chapter, which is natural resources. So what you know about natural resources? Do you know what it is? Okay, let us read the chapter, and as we read I will explain things to you. Our earth consists of essential resources which support life: water, soil, air, minerals, plants, animals, etc., which occur naturally on earth are called resources. Okay, these resources are necessary for all living organisms, including man. These are the most valuable things in the progress of mankind. Okay, for mankind to live, what we need this earth. Okay, we need lot of plants, we eat lot of vegetables, so and animals, we need everything. It's an ecosystem. You need each and every one of us, right? So it is very balanced if we have everybody in the ecosystem. So here water, soil, earth, air, minerals, everything. Okay, these are the essential resources. Okay, and we also need, as man, what we need when we breathe in, what do we take in? We take in oxygen, right? That comes from air. And when we breathe out, we exhale carbon dioxide. We read this in the previous chapter. And the carbon dioxide is required for the plants to make their food by photosynthesis. So how we are connected? The plants give oxygen to us and we give carbon dioxide to the plant, right? So that way we are connected to each other. So after studying this lesson, what and all things you will know? You will understand the need of natural resources. Then you will be very careful, right? You will not be leaving the tap open and brushing your teeth for half an hour, right? That you wouldn't do. You will know that resources are very important and we need to conserve our resources. The second thing you will know is the types of natural resources. What are the different types of natural resources? You will get to know. You will understand the significance of different resources. You will know why air is important, why water is important, why soil is important. All that you will get to know. Okay, and then you will have a classification between natural resources and renewable resources. Okay, where we have renewable and non-renewable resources. So that you will understand in this chapter. Okay, and you will realize that you need to moderately use it. Like you cannot spend too much water, and you cannot pollute air. There are many things that you will understand during reading of this chapter. Now solve the following riddle to identify natural resources. What are these riddles? I'm going to read one by one and we are going to try to solve it together. You can't live without me. Every plant, tree, animal needs me. Nobody can see me. Okay, you can't see it, okay, and you can't live without it, and every plant and animal, everybody needs me. What is that? What is that, children? Air. Okay, the air that we breathe. Who am I? I am air. Air is something that everybody needs. We need it for breathing, plants need it for their photosynthesis. Okay, then the second riddle is, I occupy major portion of the earth. I satisfy all your thirst. I make animal, tree and plants cool. Who am I? Okay, now you got the clue in the second sentence, right? I satisfy all your thirst. When you're thirsty, what do you drink, children? Water. And we know that our earth is 3 portions covered with water, right? So the second riddle's answer is water. I let you live on me. I help to grow plants and trees. I support all life on me. Who is this? Who am I? Okay, I let you live on me. Where do we live, children? And I help to grow plants and trees. Where do we grow plants and trees? On the earth, on the soil, right? The second one is soil. In the soil, we put the seeds, and that is how the plants grow. And we walk and we do everything on the land, on the soil. Okay, so the third riddle is soil. See how this is how it looks. Okay, these are your riddles. We have solved the first and second and third. Now we are going to do the remaining. Okay, so this is how it looks in your book. I will take a picture and send it, and I want you to solve this riddle all over again. Okay, Now, let's see. I give fruits and nuts. I spread cooling shades. No life without me. And who am I? What gives you fruits and nuts? Trees, children. Okay? The trees give you fruits and nuts. And it gives a lot of shade also. And we cannot exist without the trees because they are the primary source of food for us, right? Now, the fifth one, which says, vehicles like bus, lorry, car use me to run. Took thousands of years to form me. From underneath the soil, you extract me. Okay, this one will be little difficult. Okay, what do the vehicles need? They need petrol. Okay, and what is formed under the earth and what takes a lot of year to form? It is fossil fuels. Okay, like coal, petrol, diesel, all of that comes from the fossil fuel. So that is what the fifth riddle is. The sixth one. Plate, tumbler and vessels are made up of me. Beautiful jewelry are made up of me. My ore will be hardened by you. Who am I? Beautiful jewelries. What are the jewelries made up of? Gold, right? So who am I? The sixth one is gold. Okay. Now the seventh one. Darkness drives away from me. Bright lights come from me. A source of energy, that is me. Who am I? What is that, children? When it is night, what happens in the morning that the darkness goes away? The sun rises, right? So the seventh riddle is sun. The seventh riddle is sun. Okay. Generally, natural resources can be classified as renewable and non-renewable resources. We are going to learn about them. Okay. The first one is renewable resources. So resources like solar energy, air, water, soil, forest, etc. are available in nature in spite of their usage. Since these are continuously available over the period of human lifetime, these resources are called renewable resources. Okay. So the sun appears every day in the morning, so you can store it and use it, and the next day again it is available for you, right? So that is a kind of renewable source. And what other things? Water. We have plenty of water. 3 portions of our earth is water, so that is how we have plenty of water. We have plenty of air. So these are renewable sources. And you know, you use water to make electricity, right? So that water can be reused again. So it is a renewable source. Okay. Now, non-renewable resources. Resources like coal, petroleum, diesel and natural gases will run out due to their continuous usage. See, whatever we get from the fossil fuel, which took long years to form, that we are using now. We are using a lot of petrol, we are using a lot of diesel, natural gases are used. Natural gas, where do we use it? We use methane and all for our gas, right? The cylinder, gas cylinder. The coals are used to burn and to take energy out of that, right? So all of these are things which can be used up easily because it is not in plenty and it takes a long time to make it, okay? Or it takes a long time to form under the earth. Okay, so now you have an exercise here. Okay, it gives you number of renewable and non-renewable energy sources, and there are 2 baskets. One is for renewable source and the other one is for non-renewable resource. Now you have to connect, like coal. Coal is renewable, non-renewable, non-renewable. It will go here. Okay, the same way solar energy comes to renewable resources. I want to read all of this and make your choices and match it accordingly. You have to put the renewable sources in the renewable basket and the non-renewable in the non-renewable basket. Okay, so till here we are going to finish today. So you have learned about the types of natural resources. Let us now know about renewable resources. So I am going to start with renewable resources in the next class. Okay, we are done till here, and I will give you homework. I will give you the riddles to solve. I will also give you this one where you have to read and find out which is natural resource and which is non-renewable and which is renewable. Okay, so I am going to leave you with this. In the next class we will move further. So till we meet again in the next video, stay at home and stay safe. Bye.